Ted Ramos from the Ramos Real Estate Group. Welcome to 490 Persimmon Common, number 10, in the desirable community of Sage in Livermore. This beautiful condo has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, own solar panels, and gorgeous views of the greenbelt and rolling hills.
Yeah, Sage really is a beautiful and vibrant community and offers so many amenities like a clubhouse, a pool, a spa, bocce ball courts, community garden, much more, with parks and playgrounds as well. If you'd like more information on this home or to schedule a private tour, contact the Ramos Real Estate Group. We hope to hear from you.